In this video we are going to analysis about the Kalyan Jewellers, and this is the complete analysis of the Kalyan Jewellers. We will start the analysis about the Kalyan Jewellers, and this Kalyan Jewellers is recently brought into the stock market as an IPO. You can see at 26 March 2021, and this is a good stock for better growth. As you know, the Diwali is coming, so the stock get huge profits. That is, the Kalyan Jewellers get huge profit from the its showrooms. That is, the huge selling can be seen in these festival seasons. So this is also a good news. Huge amount of selling can be seen, as and also here you can see based on the, now we will go to technicals. So the high of this stock is, you can see, 89 rupees. Okay, so now the stock is at 76.15 rupees. You can see 76.15 rupees. Now the stock is at, and currently it's trading at this level, 76 levels. So here you can see this blue line. This is the support zone. This one you can see here, it took support and again bounced up. Okay, so this all here you can see it will took support at these levels. You can see it has a great support zone. This is, you can see here also it took support and again upside movement has been seen in the stock. So there is a chances that it can go up to these levels. That is, you can see 80 rupees. The stock can reach up to 80 rupees as a short term. Because of this, here you can see this is the breakout strategy. After breaking out this pattern guys, this pattern, it looks like falling wedge nearly, but after breakout it can give 6%, up to 6%. That is 4.9 rupees increment can be seen in the stock if breakout happens upside. Okay, after breakout of this stock, so it will, you can see these yellow lines. This is the support and resistance zones. So after breakouts, this should be broken. After breaking these levels, it will go up to 77 first target, then 79.60, then 80.20, like that. Okay, but it will break each and every resistance and then it will achieve the targets. So this is the complete analysis of this, and you can see the highest price. It can also reach here by taking support like this. You can see it will reach 89 levels soon by going like this only. By taking support, it will break, going upside movement can be seen, and it can go upside. So this is complete analysis. You can take a screenshot for these values as a support and resistance zones. Okay, 80 is the, based on the patterns, easily it can reach, and up to here it can go 89 for long term. Chances are there. If uptrend continues, it can reach easily. So this is the complete analysis of the Kalyan Jewellers. Okay, thanks for watching guys.